camera.
One clap right in front of your face.
Beautiful.
Our whole goal with Pokemon Day is to bring people into our stores and participate. Whether that's a player, a parent, somebody returning to us after years of not being involved with Pokemon, we want to be able to welcome them and make it easy for them to come back. The marketing team had developed a page for the website, which had a list of the 2,400 participating stores.
The long list of stores on a website just wouldn't have been a great experience for our fans. So in order to create a better fan experience for our customers, a quick pivot was necessary. We realized that we could repurpose something that we were already building and use that as a special event locator for Pokemon Day in 2025.
Valantic got involved in this project because we were already working on a mobile application and it had an event locator built into it. And when this opportunity came up, we realized that we could quickly pivot, reuse that foundational set of technology and build the special event locator for Pokemon Day.
We had the opportunity to take that code that we had already built for that and a mostly finished user interface that we were using for tablets and readapt that into something that we could take and put into a news article on Pokemon.com, really expanding the usefulness of that tool.
By using OutSystems, we were able to prepare for that and get something that we had already been building for Play Pokemon Access and get that out to our fans. One of the interesting factors of this is we don't know how many fans are going to show up to a particular site.
The scalability was critical because we knew there was going to be an amazing amount of hits in a very, very short period of time on this one piece of functionality. So we rallied with OutSystems. We did a lot of stress testing in a very short period of time to validate that we could meet that fairly unique non-functional requirement.
The OutSystems platform is incredibly versatile and allowed us to embed a part of this app inside of a Pokemon.com news article page, which already had our advanced bot protection and other security settings.
The ability to reuse components allowed us to really move quickly with this project and give ourselves as much time as possible to test and integrate. The Special Events Locator really made Pokemon Day a success. We've reached more players for this year's Pokemon Day than we ever have before. We've heard from our players and our Play Pokemon stores that these not only were some of the largest events they had been to at their Play Pokemon stores, but they had some of the most fun that they've had in years at these events. The real advantage is we've built this with expansion in mind, and we've been adding features every time we bring the Special Event Locator back out. Of course, we certainly had the benefits of providing a really great user experience, but we're also starting to build these foundational elements here that's going to give us the ability to deliver even better things in the future. We now have a platform that's proven to go from experimentation to proof of concept to production ready in a really short amount of time. And it's having our tech teams rethink how we do things. It's having our business teams rethink what's possible in the time that we have for completing our projects. And it's really going to be a way for us to elevate the kind of stuff that we do over the next few years.
I'm done.
All right, let's cut then. Take that microphone off you.